Hey gang, Catlin here, lesson 10 of your homework, third page. A rare and delicate plant will only produce flowers from 10% of the seeds that are planted. To see if it is worth planting 5 seeds to see any flowers, the situation is going to be simulated. Which of these options is the best simulation? For the others, explain why it is not a good simulation. So let's make sure we get what's going on here. We got a 10% chance. So we would have something set up where we could get a 1 in 10 chance of this particular delicate plant to produce these seeds, to produce these flowers. And then we would need to check it on 5 different things. So kind of like we did on Wednesday when you created your simulations. A lot of you had 5 outcomes or 3 outcomes of a percentage like this. Let's see which one is the best and why the others aren't so good. Okay, so let's read them. Another plant can be genetically modified. That sounds like a lot of work to produce flowers 10% of the time. Plant 30 groups of 5. Okay. And wait 6 months for the plants to grow and count the fraction. Okay, the last part seems easy. We can count. But man, that's a lot of work. I got to genetically modify flowers and plant 30 groups of 5. That's like 60. That's a lot. It says 150 seeds. I got to wait 6 months. I'm going to go ahead and say not good because it takes too long. I don't want a simulation to take 6 months. I would like to know now what my chances are so I can make a decision. I'm going to go ahead and veto that one. Okay. Roll a standard number cube 5 times. Okay, I can handle that. Each time a 6 appears, it represents a plant producing flowers. Repeat this process 30 times and count the fraction of times at least one number of 6 appears. Standard number cube 5 times. Each time a 6 appears, it represents a plant. Well, I don't like that one because 1 out of 6 is not equal to 10%. Like, I like the idea and, doing it 30 times, that's a good idea to do it multiple times. But, that doesn't match the percentage that I need. I need it to be a 10%. So, not good because 1/6 doesn't match 10%. I need it to be a 10% chance. You can't roll a number cube and have a 10% outcome. Part C, we have a computer produce 5 random digits, 0 through 9. Okay, 0 through 9 is 10 numbers because you're counting 0. So there's 10 in there. If the number 9 appears, okay, 9 is 1 out of the 10 digits. I'm liking this one so far. Okay. It represents the plant. That makes sense. Repeat this process 300 times and count the fraction of times at least one number 9 appears. Okay, there's a lot of times to do it, but this setup works. Okay, let's look at the last one. Create a spinner with 10 equal sections. Okay, I like that. Mark one of them flowers. Spin the spinner 5 times. Okay. One little section that's marked flowers that would equal out of 10. I like that. Okay. Repeat it 30 times and count it. Okay. So really, C and D both work. The only difference is what would be best. What would be best to do it 30 times or to do it 30 times? And I know it seems like a lot of work, but I think this one would be the best because we've learned that you do it more times, it's better. And the only reason I'm saying no to this one is because 30 is not as many as 300. More simulations are best. That's the only reason I don't like that one. I like the design, though. The spinner, that's always clever. All right. Let's finish off with number 2 down here. A little review of some algebra stuff. So I'm going to simplify them, and then we'll simplify the other side, and then we'll see what equals what. So 8x plus 2x, like terms combined, this would be 10x, 6y plus 4y. This would be 10y. We distribute the 10 here. It's 10x plus 10y. Hey, we already have a match. This one goes with that one. All right, let's do another one. 8y minus 2y would give me, 2x equals 6x. 6y minus 4y would give me 2y. All right, let's do this one. This one would be 10x times x would be 10x. We're distributing here, and then we got a minus, and then times 10y. All right, no match on that one, so we can't put that one across the board. All right, moving on. 8x minus 2x gives me a 6x. And 6y minus a negative 4y actually adds the opposite, and then would give me 10y. So this one would be 10y. 6 distributed to x gives me 6x, and 6 times a third. A third of 6 is 2, so this would be minus 2y. No matches yet. All right, let's continue. All right. No parentheses here, so I'm going to add my opposites. Ka-chow, ka-chow. 8x and negative 2x makes 6x. And negative 6y and positive 4y, they go together to make negative 2y. So minus 2y. Hey, we got a match. This one matches that one. All right, moving on to the fourth one here. Adding my opposites, 8x plus 2x equals 10x, and 6y plus negative 4y equals 2y. Need 10x plus 2y's over there? Nope. All right, moving on. Adding my opposites to make this a little more simple. 8x and 2x make 10x. Negative 6 and negative 4 make minus 10y. Hey, that matches this one here. There we go. Add my opposites. 8x and negative 2x make 6x. 6y and 4y, like terms, make 10y. You got a 6x and 10y. There we go. Got another match. You go with this one. All right, almost done. Last one. Okay, this one's got a doozy with it. We're going to add the opposite, opposite, opposite. So 8x and 2x, 8x and 2x make 10x, 6y and negative 4y make positive 2y. Add the opposites, 8x and negative 2x make 10, I'm sorry, not 10x, 6x's, taking away 2. And 6y and negative 4y make 2y. All right, so this one goes with B. So B goes with 6, which means that F must go with 4. And they do. All right. That's a lot of work. Okay. Done. Algebra.